cake's a lie.
Holy fuck!
David don't like nature!
Wow. That's pretty impressive, David.
Thank you very much. Now, here's a little Easter egg. I'll claim that as my victory. Hit the dirt. Oh, that's flashbacks. That's making me really happy.
Oh, Jesus.
Back. It's loaded. Wow. Okay. Okay. Talk to me, Richard.
Let's see some of your skill. It's like walk on a log
Not fucking difficult.
without falling off.
Oh no, I'm gonna fall. Oh no! Oh, Dorothy, where's you and when you need him?
I don't know.
Don't throw that stick at me.
Right to the end.
Destruction it caused, Richard.
Yeah, I know. I mean, you're destroying the forest, David.
Well, too bad. Get off me.
And up on the broken bit.
What? That's not the bit, though. You're just trying to be deliberately awkward. Deliberately awkward.
Or it's like walk around that bit and go up to the end of that.
No, I'm handling it. People! I've got an impending sense of doom, Richard.
Be fine. Be fine. That's not bad.
That just shook. Time to leave. Time to leave. Okay. Well, clearly I knocked down this tree. Didn't make it as big as the band I expected.
Yeah, it's surprisingly quiet. I mean, it's just.
Well, you know what they say, if a tree falls in the forest and only a camera can hear it, it sounds like a tiny twig that I was holding down my back. Cut.